As you guys can see behind me, this is a transparent background. Now let's switch to my fake background. Bang. Cool, right? What's up, YouTube? I am JoeyJ25, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add a fake background. As you can see, I have a fake background behind me in your streams or YouTube videos, whatever it may be for. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it. I would also really appreciate it if you guys use my supporter creator code JoeyJ25 in the item shop, as this would really help me out and help me out doing more Rocket League giveaways than I do now. And basically, if you guys didn't mind sharing, I'll do Rocket League giveaways every single Friday because of the chance to win a free black market decal. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. If you guys want a full OBS tutorial, if we get to 100 likes on this video, I'll make a complete guide on how I use my OBS best settings and all that stuff. But for now, we're just going to be strictly focusing on my webcam. Also, if you guys want a border webcam tutorial, I'll make that for you as well. But this is just for strictly the background. All you're going to do is this. So first of all, you got to get your webcam in there. To add your webcam, well, first get your scenes. To add a new scene, just click here and then, rename it. But then you want to add a webcam. To add your webcam, you want to go to the plus side and go to video capture device. And that's how you'll get your webcam in there. Next, to get your background, which is what you guys came for, you guys can see here it is a image. So to basically add an image, you would click plus and you would go to image. Now you don't have your image yet, so what you want to do is this. We're gonna go on Google and we're gonna search up GIFs. So background GIFs. So I'm gonna search up background. I know I have all caps. Background room GIFs. Okay, so that's what you're gonna search up. All right, now you're gonna see your images. And you're going to see these cool backgrounds, okay? I got a gaming background one. I went to here, and then, mine was, somewhere over here. But these are all, cool design ones. You guys can see it's all moving in the background. This is what you want, okay? For the sake of this video, I'm just going to, speed it up a bit. We're just going to go with this one. Oh, wait. We'll go with this one right here. I feel like this is a cool one. Nice little background. You just want to make sure. And we wanted to make it look real as possible. I think that looks okay. So yeah, we're going to add this. So what we're going to do is save image as, and then you're going to, you guys can see I was creating other stuff. You're basically going to save it as room GIF, and then I'm going to do TUT for tutorial, so I remember that to delete this, and then you're going to save it, okay? Now we're going to go back onto OBS, and what you're going to do now is you're going to click plus, image, add source, then you're going to add a new source, obviously. Name it whatever. I'm going to name it image room BG tutorial, background tutorial, add source. And then you're going to go browse, and then you're going to go right here. That's the OBS one, but I just got a new one. I put it in pictures. I don't know why. So now we got to look for this. I called it room background, so it's right here. There we have it. Done. Okay, here it is, but it's in front. That's what you don't want. So first of all, this is a good idea. Map it out. Okay, right there. Beautiful. Next thing you want to do now is hide it right here, and there you go. That is it. That's all you guys have to do. Make sure you lock it. Of course, you don't want it to be moving, and that is all you have to do. Now, there is one more important step that I almost forgot to mention. Your lighting may be messed up, okay? You may have to mess around with your lighting and everything, so to change that, you would just go to properties or filters on your, your green screen or webcam, okay? And then you would change all these things. These are everything I have. You guys want to copy this? I looked at the best settings. This is all the settings I use for my webcam background because it may be a little messed up. So yeah, that's what I use for my webcam background or my webcam. Have those filters, and other than that, you'll be good. You guys can see it looks so real. Let me take me out of this just to show you guys. Look how realistic that looks. It looks like a realistic, actually, it looks like a realistic room. So that's basically all you guys have to do to add a webcam background. Hopefully I helped you guys out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And other than that, that's gonna wrap up for today's video. If you guys want me to do other tutorials, let me know down below. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.